Imagine if every customer enquiry on WhatsApp could automatically turn into a confirmed booking, whether it's for service, appointment, or even movie booking without manual follow-ups or delays. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video we are going to build a smart WhatsApp automation that manages your entire booking journey from the very first message to the final confirmation. And this workflow can handle different type of booking requests, guide customers through available options, collect their details and confirm their reservation instantly. So instead of manually replying to each messages, this chatbot ensures entire responses, better organization and a seamless experience for business and customers. So here in this WhatsApp chatbot, as I will receive a customer message, I'm going to auto reply to that message, and if my user provides me all the details, I'm going to confirm the booking. So let's move on towards my Pabbly Chatflow and see how this complete WhatsApp booking automation works in real time, and then we will build it step by step using Pabbly Chatflow. And right here on my screen you can inside Pabbly Chatflow I have already built in a flow for creating movie booking chatbot, and this starts with welcome message and ends on final confirmation message. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, and for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow. And here on my WhatsApp you can see the real-time conversation between my flow and the customers. Now let's say I'm the user or the customer. So here I have entered this message that is hello. So here I'm getting this welcome message that is hi there, welcome to Cinebook. Let's get you set for a great movie time. And here I'm getting this button that is browse movies. So here I have selected this button. I'm getting the list of the movies. So here I have selected this first movie that is Avengers Secret Wars. And as I have selected my movie name, I'm getting a list for selecting the theaters. So from this list I have selected my preferred theater, and afterwards it is asking me to select the available show time. So from this list I have selected my available show times, and as I have provided my available show times, I'm getting a message which is asking me about number of tickets. So here I have provided it as 2, and afterwards we are getting the booking summary. So here I'm getting the same movie name, the same theater, and the number of tickets as same. And as I have clicked over this button that is yes, my tickets are confirmed. So now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, which will help your customers to book the service of your business right on the platform that is WhatsApp. And this WhatsApp chatbot is also going to provide personalized messages to your customers or the clients. So now let me show you how this is going to be created. So for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. And now for creating this WhatsApp chatbot you have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So for that you have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user then you can select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, then you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and using Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you finish your sign up or login over the Pabbly, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a chatbot, then I'm going to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by simply selecting this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers connected to my account. And if you want to add your WhatsApp number, then you just have to click over this add WhatsApp number button, and here we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, then you can just select WhatsApp Connect, but if you prefer connecting with token number, then you can select this option of Manual Token Connect. And if you want a description of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, then go and check the video given on the description below. And moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn more about these features, then you can watch the video given on the description. And now as we are going to create a chatbot, then we just have to click over the flows given on the sidebar. And once you will click over the flows, you will be landed to this flow builder page, where you can see these are the flows I have created. And if you want to create a new flow, then you just have to click over this add flow button, and here we are landed to our flow page, where you might see this this option of providing the flow name. So now let's provide a name to my flow here. So here I have provided it the name from first message to final booking, and afterwards we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event or the action which initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or if your user replies via quick reply button on a send template, but I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot as soon as someone enters a message that is hello. So here I have made this word as my keyword, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input, and if you want to trigger any advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But for now, as I already have my keyword, so I'm going to remove this regex from here. Now on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting these message nodes. So here I'm going to select this text button, and now on this text button node I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers or the clients. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to add a button to this message node. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here we have to provide the button name. So here I have provided my button name as browse movies, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the button type. So from this top down you can select your button type either as quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link, but I'm going to keep it as quick reply. Now let's click over the save button, and here we have successfully created our button. Now if my users select this button that is browse movies, so I'm going to show them the list of the movies now showing. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting this option for list which you have to select. And now on this list node it is asking me to enter header, body and footer for the list. So now I'm going to provide just the body, but you can provide header or the footer message as well. And now I'm going to add some items or some movies in this list. So for that we firstly have to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as movies. And afterwards on this section I'm going to add some items. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter the title and the description. So now let's enter the title of our first movie. So here I have entered the title of my first list item or my first movie. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items to this list node. So here I have added 2 more movies to my list. Now I'm going to assign contact custom field to all these list items so that I can get the response or the movie which my user has selected. So for providing the contact custom field you just have to move over the actions, and here we are getting this node that is set custom field which you have to select. And now I'm going to connect it with my first list item, and from here you can select the contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created, and now for creating a new one we just have to move over the settings, and here we are getting this option for contact custom fields which you have to select. But before that make sure to save this flow by simply selecting the save button so that you don't lose your data. And as you will select the contact custom fields, you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened, where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. And for creating a new one we just have to click over this add more field button and enter the custom field name and click over the save button, and your contact custom field will be created. But for now I already have my contact custom field which I am going to select over my Pabbly chat flows. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as movie, which can be seen here, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field, and as you know I am creating this contact custom field for this first list item or the first movie, that is Avengers Secret Wars. So here I have entered the same value. Now I am going to assign contact custom field to remaining list item as well. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I am going to provide them again a list for selecting the theater, and you know the process of creating the list. So now let's create it. So here you can see I have created this list for selecting the theater, and here I have added 3 theaters or 3 items in my list. Now again I am going to provide contact custom field to all these theaters so that I can get the theater or the response which my user has selected. So here you can see I have provided contact custom field theater to all these list items. Now again I am going to create a list for selecting the show time. So here you can see I have created the list for the show time, and I have provided contact custom field to all these list items or all the show times. Now if my users select the show timing, I'm going to ask them a question regarding the number of tickets. So for that we just have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is ask question, which you have to select. And now on this question node I'm going to enter a question asking for number of tickets. So now let's enter it. So here I have entered this question asking for the number of tickets. Now I am going to select my contact custom field as number of tickets. So now let's search for it. So here I am getting this contact custom field which I am going to select. Now I am going to select my format as any. Now if my user provides me the answer of this question, I am going to provide them booking summary. So for that again I am going to use the text button node. So here I have provided this booking summary, and here you can see these variables, that is movie, theater, show time and number of tickets. So these signifies contact custom field which we have recently selected. So now as soon as my user will select any of the list item or provide me the answer of the question, the response will be replaced in this message node and we will be able to send personalized message. And here I have created this button that is yes. Now if my user select this button that is yes, I am going to send them a confirmation message by using text button node. So here I have entered this confirmation message. So with this we have successfully created the flow for booking. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button, and here we are getting this pop-up which means we have successfully saved our flow. And you can even share the flow which you have created. So for that you just have to go to the flow builder page, and here you can see this is the flow which I have recently created. So I'm going to select 3 dots of this flow, and now I'm going to just select this option of share flow, and here we are getting the shareable link which you can share with your friends, team members and colleagues so that they can also know about this amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and create many more amazing bookings chatbot like this. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have created in the description, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.